the BOK Women Kenya chapter is now launched.
Has just started. So for all the ladies, we are going to spend here again. And
this sector is vibrant and contributes to the national economy in addition to providing quick transport options in the industry. I'm informed women riders are preferred due to their hygiene standards, their cautious driving technique, and their caring interpersonal skill. It is now an option, so be focused on your business and it will grow from one level to another. There is no business that is easy, especially a business venture. You remember 3 out of 5 businesses that are started in Kenya fail within the first year. But we are saying here today, failing is not a what? It's not an option. So we must do what it takes so that by the time your business grows from a bodaboda, you have a shop, from a shop, you have a business that or a real estate that you are renting, and I think that will be able to sustain you and your family. As a government in partnership with agencies such as UNFPA, UNICEF, among others, we are working hard to ensure that issues of gender-based violence and the general safety of women are given prominence at the global level. Kenya is demonstrating significant leadership and commitment to prevention and response of gender-based violence through Generation Equality Action Coalition on Gender-Based Violence, which Kenya is leading.